Alright, let's start the session. What's going on, everyone? Welcome. Fix my shirt. Looks like this thing is fucked again. Alright, that's better. Hope you're all doing good. Let's go over the charts. So yesterday we took 3 trade and all 3 got stopped out. It is what it is. Can't really do anything about it. And unfortunately my magic key was acting up. So before I do some sort of I have to fix some presets and all, and it entered more percentage that I wanted in 2 different position of it. So the loss is more than what I'm usually like. Three loss in a day is okay for me. That's my max daily loss. Happened before, but this was a little bit over in terms of risk percentage, so I have to gain it back. Not gonna push it for this week though. Maybe next week, but we'll see what happens. Alright. Let's quickly take a look at this. Oh, instead of 2 days ago, I should have sold it yesterday. Alright, so as expected, 53,300 was hit, even a little higher, just short of 53,400. The analysis can be more accurate than that, okay, like you can do all your drawing and all, and I'll be sitting here playing my CS doing better analysis than most of y'all. Why? Because we don't draw, because we don't guess. Drawing is subjective. That's why I'm against drawing, okay? And you can see with the tools that I made, which eliminates drawing, you literally cannot be more accurate than that. You can't even ask for better than that, So GPG levels showing how accurate they are one more time, and DMAs as well. We can see that a perfect setup on Asian session, or we could have get it yesterday as well. I kind of pushed out. Didn't kind of push out, just didn't want to go against my plan like that. If it would hit my stop loss, if I would sell it there, then the psychological pressure on me going against my plan is much more than missing a trade. Missing a trade, it's okay, but losing a trade, and that wasn't even based on your plan, that will kind of mess up a lot of stuff. You would rethink your strategy, yourself, your discipline, everything. Okay, so for today, I think today is one of those days that you shouldn't really touch US30. Okay, I think you're just gonna let it go. And let's put this back here on 30 minutes. Still can be on green light. Looking at US dollar Canadian now, I completed my journal, so I can delete it. It's actually for you guys, not for the journal, but yeah. Looking at US dollar Canadian, I do see this bullish engulfing. They kinda hit the level 2. Don't like lower time frames. I'm not gonna trade them today. Because I think there is more place to go down, and it's not something I'd be interested to, participate. Looking at GCAD, it hit that DMA as well. Stop there, which is nice, but don't like 30 minutes. This one as well. Alright, let me remove the labels too, so people know that we are not into any trades. Looking at gold, so we said it looks bearish yesterday. It didn't really drop in New York session, but after that, prior to Asian session, it did have some drops. A retrace back in London session, next drop happened. I think we're gonna continue to see drops. And starting from here to here, it's about 70 pips to the high. Let's actually try it. Gold. Since when this thing was so high on the list. Okay, enter the gold. Looks okay. So right here, stop loss is about here. And the TP definitely looks like coming back to 4,000, 3,000, and the level that we had and previously was touched. You can see it here. I'm gonna change this into here. We took this sell once, and let's see. I think my stop loss is a little bit too huge. Let's put it like here. Don't like my stop loss, and I'm just trying to fix the position size. Yeah, that works. So the reason, oh, actually I forgot to take the photo. 1 second, copy link. Working to make a new habit of journaling my trades. I journal a lot of my trades, but it's not the way I'm doing it now, because I usually journal afterward, but now I'm thinking that I have to do it faster, right in the spot. So this one gonna be 4,030. That one, so next one also is Euro USD. This one also looking like it is playing around here. All the confirmation and everything, the 3-hour rejection, bearish engulfing, 1-hour bearish engulfing coming below. We have a cross in 30 minutes and 15 minutes and all. It's bearish. So I think this also would be a bullish, a bearish move on this. Let's see. Check it too. Oops. So that's basically it for this session for now. I don't think I'm gonna take any other trade. GU is pretty much multi signals. I don't like it. USD JPYs. It is good on lower time frame and higher time frame. I wish I wouldn't close my trade here. I'm not sure it was GJ or UJ, but I had this trade and closed it off in this side. A very beautiful one. Wow, 170 pips. Smashing all this level in a day. And USD JPY also looking good. Yesterday was better. Not sure why did we miss it and why even this one is on green line. Oh, because of the drop. I didn't trust it. Yeah, that's my bad. And let's take a look at Euro JPY too. This one looking okay too. I just don't like the daily. I think this can get better a little bit. Looking at USD CHF turning back to bullish again. It can definitely longest move to go. Let's see. I like it. It about 40 pips, 35 pips. The stop loss is alright in it. I'm gonna actually join USD CHF because it became green light just now. This. I put it on 3 level, syncing layout, and let's see what happens. Let's see, are we gonna add to our losses or we're gonna make some? We are into gold, sell USD CHF. Euro USD also looking alright for sell. So these are kind of the trades that we have. We should add gold here too. TP is 81,800. Alright, so here we have them. Let's this is just for you guys. If you joining a bit late, you may see the trades that we have. Waiting for, so you guys, if you want to check them out. The counter 3.0. Alright, make sure to like the stream, guys, and let your people know. We had about 15,000 people checking out my YouTube channel in the past 10-15 days. Very excited. We might going slow right now, but we're about to explode. The next currency I want to buy is GPG USD. About to go to the moon. All those people reposted our stuff.
We're talking he was homeless at 37 and now he's running. We're talking he was homeless at 37 and now he's running 2 multi-billion-dollar companies and still doing it decades later. And I asked him, what's the biggest mindset difference in your humble opinion? He said, the less people make, the more they think in terms of ROI an hour. That's why they think about minimum wage. How much I get paid per hour. Billionaires, on the other hand, think about in terms of decades. 2 multi-billion-dollar companies is
nice. We can get some. What the hell is that? I don't even know what that is that I just claimed. Oh, it tells me here. Sick. Nice. I don't even know what that is. That sounds nice. Jesus, 26,000 view. One of my reels going crazy up. I'm so happy. Finally. Oh, 20,000. Sorry, now 26, 20. Clock. Let's. Oh, I wanted to check the trade. I went to check the Instagram. Alright. We're all in break even. Let's see. Let's try the new gun. It's not even a gun, it's just a. Let me turn off the AC. The lighting looks good on my tattoos. Jesus, looks like a lot of good players. Freak it. That was a hack. How did you know I'm coming? Oh, he's gonna have a hard ass time. I need to check this. Come on, man. Looks like I chose the wrong competition to check out my gun. That's bullshit. How did you do that? Wait. Now I can watch it. Let's go to sunlight. Alright, I gave up. Let's kill. There was a meme on Instagram that says when you try to come and enjoy the game a little bit and then you see all these cheaters killing you. Could be more accurate. Oops, sorry. Let me do it. So the gold and euro US everything is at break even. I'm okay with the way gold looking right now. Looking pretty solid. Hopefully stays solid. He starts shooting before turning. Motherfucker. Cheaters. That's why you become nothing in your life. So you get used to cheating. You can't cheat in real life, motherfucker. Yeah. How did you know I'm here before coming in? Okay, I don't wanna work with cheaters. Fuck. I'm gonna go to my favorite map. Let's do armors. Let me know if you guys are into any trades. Okay. Why? Didn't even start it. It happened to me yesterday too. nothing really happening in the market. I'm gonna continue playing. I knew you'd come. How somebody's at knife already? Oh, we missed that too. Got palm. It's 9:30. I'm gonna take a look at this stuff real quick. so many of them here right now. When you're stuck with a lot of good traders, a lot of good players. Down there, so good. Come on. How is that even possible? It was behind me. Here USD coming back up, the rest are alright. Actually all looks like in drawdown in here, but not big of a drawdown. We move on to the next round. How can they be that fast? Wrong guy. Jesus. Why didn't I knife him right there? Brother DJ. DJ now. Finally, I killed that guy once. It was just the other. So many killing happening right now. Alright guys, so nothing really happening. I'm gonna go get to my other stuff. Trade's looking good. Everything is being rejected. We tested all that stuff. So I got a lot of stuff to do. Have a show tomorrow. I have to get ready. Thank you guys for joining. I'm gonna stay here, play games. I'm gonna go do my stuff. Thank you guys. And I'll see you tomorrow. Same time. Until tomorrow.